Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display suffix or prefix for specific product in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WooCommerce product price custom before and after tax and discount. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now, then click on activate it. Now plugin is active and refresh the page. Now plugin activated, and then on left side you see custom tax and discount, and then you see setting. So open it. If you want to add global suffix or prefix, then you can do this setting, but we are going to add suffix or prefix for specific product. Now setting open, and then you see show custom tax and discount on all pages, product page, cart page. So you can do setting according to requirement, but we are going to add suffix or prefix for specific product. Now go to edit product. Now refresh the page. Now edit product open and scroll down, go to product data, and then in product data section you see price, tax and discount. So click on it, and then you see use custom tax and discount for this product, enable this option, and then you see use custom prefix or suffix. So if you want you can add both, if you want you can add one. Now enable this option. Now you see custom prefix, custom suffix, so you can add value according to requirement. So we added some text in custom prefix and in custom suffix. So click on update. So you can add prefix or suffix for specific product. Now product updated done. Go to product page and refresh the page. Then you see custom text we added in prefix location or suffix location. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.